Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make mouse dodgy game in Scratch. First I'll remove the scratch cuts. Now I'll make a big block. And flag clicked forever. Oh, this is the backdrop. Oh, I made it in the backdrop. I'm going to make a big block. When flag clicked forever, point towards mouse pointer and move 10 steps. Oh, whoa. I move 1 step. Now it's going to follow the mouse pointer. Now what I truly want is that when flag clicked forever, create clone of myself. I'm going to create clone of myself every 1 second, so it won't be too much. When I start as a clone, forever point towards mouse pointer and move 1 step. Next, I then remove this because it's going to be confusing. Next, I'm going to take this. I'm going to move it to the center. Now I want each of their speeds to be random, so I'll make a new variable for this sprite only called speed. And now for each variable I'll set the speed from a random value from 1 to 4. I'll remove speed steps. Oh, it's supposed to be set speed, not set my variable. And now what I'll do is that if I'll set the go to x00 here. If touching mouse pointer, stop all. Everything stopped. Just set it from 1 to 8. Also make a clone limit. Make a variable called all sprites called clone. Now when a new clone is created, it will change clone by 1. If then clone is greater than let's say 50, delete this clone and then change clone by -1. and then change to 10. And then I'll duplicate it and put it in different positions. I'll put one here. I'll put the other one there. Anyways, next I'll add a background. I'm going to set it to this. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.